Meet Debbie Comar, a retired claim handler from Berkeley, California. Her life took a dramatic turn after a severe car accident on the Bay Bridge.
My name is Debbie Comar, and I live in Berkeley, California, and I am a retired claim handler. I was on the Bay Bridge. It was after 8 o'clock in the evening, and that traffic was slowing down. So I started to tap my brakes to notify people in back of me that I was going to slow down. The truck in front of me slowed down to a stop. I slowed down and just came to a stop when I looked at my rearview mirror, and I just saw bright lights, and I knew the car was not going to stop. I was hit so violently, it was kind of like hitting a brick wall. You know, I was hit so violently from behind, and then I was catapulted into the truck. I just remember intense pain in my right thumb and my hand, and my arm were up, my thumb was up, and pain in my neck and my back, my chest. I had a hard time breathing. And I was having problems with my words too. I was struggling to get my words out. My right thumb and my wrist took about 10 months to get some mobility. I had to have occupational therapy for my thumb. I couldn't move my head from side to side, so it was impossible for me to drive for a while. So I had, family drive me to my physical therapy. I had physical therapy on my neck and my back. My right hip was sore, but I didn't get therapy for that. I just kind of, tried to walk a lot. But it took a long time to heal. My chest was kind of tight. It felt like somebody was sitting on it for a long time, for months afterwards. I actually immediately thought of Andy Gillen and his law firm. The reputation precedes them. They're the best, the best in the Bay Area. They're very honorable, compassionate. I've used them on the past 20 years for two other cases. They really did an excellent job. Just the whole firm works on your case. They're diligent, compassionate, honorable, and really work hard and just make you feel so much at ease that it just takes all the stress away.
The initial steps were pulling up Debbie's old files because this poor woman, this was her third accident that was not her fault, and the third accident she was seriously injured in. I represented her in the first two, so I pulled up those files, pulled up the medical records, obviously put an investigator on the case, obtained the police report, and then obtained her current medical records so I could compare them to the earliest. I did reassure her it was going to work out fine, but she is such a positive person. It was a joy to represent her.
Andy is the most friendly attorney that I've ever met. And for a managing attorney, it's really rare. He's kind, he's compassionate, and I don't think I would ever have anybody else handle my case. Knock on wood, if I don't want to get in another accident, but I would definitely hire him again and refer anybody to this law firm, especially Andy Gillen.
We file a lot of lawsuits because there are a lot of times the insurance companies won't be reasonable without a lawsuit. But this time I was quite pleased that I was able to convince the insurance company, let's just do the right thing, do it now, save yourself some hassle, save Debbie some hassle, and it worked out. It was what I considered to be a very good outcome, and I was very happy that Debbie felt exactly the same way.
I appreciate everything you've done, and thank you so much for taking my case and just handling it the way you did. Just did it so well and so quickly, very quickly.
Thank you, my friend.
Surprisingly quickly. I mean, it's just amazing. I mean, I think everybody that you work with is impressed with the quality.
At GGEL Accident Attorneys, we fight for our clients. Just like Debbie, we can help you too. Contact us today to see how we can assist you.